The Sound of Music is?
That's why I want the tape. Yeah. Yeah.
Yep. Finest music
Are any
ever
of those-
made.
Any of those people still living?
Yeah.
Are they?
Mm-hmm. Julie Andrews is.
Huh?
The main lady,
Yeah.
Julie Andrews. She's still alive.
Julie's still alive?
Uh-huh.
How old would she be?
70-some, maybe? 80?
Yeah, probably in her 80s at the oldest.
Yep.
Julie Andrews.
Julie.
She was one of the main singers.
Yeah.
She was the main person.
Yeah.
She was the nun.
Dude, does that movie still travel or not?
Yeah.
They do, huh?
Mm-hmm.
I don't think it's ever been to Portland, no. Has
Never
it?
been what?
Huh?
The movie, has it ever, probably hasn't played recently.
No.
The play has. People do the play.
That's true.
Mm-hmm.
Well, we just bought that tape in the last 3 or 4 years, and that's a wonderful. If you want to listen to something good, turn that on.
Okay.
Really?
I like it.
Oh, it's
I've seen it.
Wonderful.
Yep.
Yeah. And the singers, very, very good.
Good.
You betcha. Yeah.
Do you know any of the songs?
If you sang them to me, I probably would.
I think Chrissy could sing them. She's the singer, remember?
No.
You see?
Yeah.
I bet you know him.
I probably do, but my memory is a little bit goofed up
It's okay. We can
because
play it sometime.
there's a lot of good music on that tape.
Mm-hmm. Do you have your phone, Emily?